Hi guys, well I'm back on the boat today and it was haul out time to assess the damage and fix the shackle that lifts the keel. The cable was okay, I stripped it all out last night. I found the cable was fine, so I just had to put a new shackle on, and I went to the Manly Trailable Yacht Club, I think it's called, and they had a travel lift that just lifted it up while I put the new shackle on. Checked the damage, which wasn't too bad. Just a few chunks of fiberglass missing in the keel casing, which can be repaired, and happy days. The trip continues. The guy was a legend and wouldn't accept any payment for the job, so I'll have to send him a case of beer. And we've got the full main and jib up, and we're heading back towards the scene of the crime, I guess you could say. We're going to pull in there because there's only another hour of daylight. I'll pull in there. Oh wow, a big fish or a stingray or something just jumped over there.
Oh, there came a man on a stolen horse and he rode right onto the page. Burning bright, but not for long, lit up with a holy rage. No turning back for the child of grace with the blood red on his hands. Never known to hurt a woman, he never robbed an honest man. His mother held in jail, his daddy dead, and daily rising, the price upon his head. Our sunshine, our sunshine. Through fire and flood, through dust and mud, through tears and blood, still riding on. Forever trapped in a suit of steel with the hotel burning behind, betrayed by his companions with the train waiting down the line. Forever tall on a bareback horse, getting through by the skin of his teeth. It's one more for the ladies and one more for the police.
Well guys, we've just called into Raby Bay. I've picked up a public swing mooring, and the sun's about to go down. I had a quick shower and about to go down and clean the boat up. I've cleaned all the lines up, and everything's looking shipshape again up on deck anyway. Sails are secure, and as I was swinging around on the mooring, I looked down and there was a rope in the water without any float on it, and looks like it's been run over by a prop at some point. And look what I pulled it up, and look what it is. It's a crab trap with there's probably 6 or 8 crabs in there. Unfortunately, some of them haven't made it, but a lot of them are still flapping. So I'll turn this off in a second, release them, and it's their lucky day.